Hey, what's going on YouTube? I thought I'd make this video on a little Jedi trick that I do for spray can penetrant. A little modification that I did to the can. So we all know about these cans with these little red straws that you can connect to them to spray in, in a specific location. Something that I did is I've got this other nozzle. I actually got it off of some of this evaporator odor eliminator kit, but I've seen other products that use these same things. So I got this nozzle and I took it off the empty can of the evaporator and I cleaned it out and I put it on my ZET penetrant. And now what I'm able to do, this thing will fit on any cap that uses, like the regular spray paint cap can or whatever. And so now what I can do is I can reach down and get the product wherever I need to get it without having a whole bunch of overspray or whatnot, and I can really focus it in one area. I don't know, that's just a little tip trick that I do that I thought I'd pass on. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and like it, please. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Have a great day.